All right. So today we are again to discuss the assignment question that I was discussing yesterday. Okay. This table practice assignment. Today we'll revise this question. I hope the MS Word page is visible to everyone. Is this table visible to everyone? Okay. So all of you go through this table carefully, right? And we are to frame the HTML coding for the same. Now, in this particular table, you might have noticed class 9th. The data is appearing in separate line. Class word is up, 9th word is down. They are not in the same line. Similarly, class 10th, similarly, class 11th. Okay, this complete row which I have shaded in front of you, this is the first row. The portion which I have shaded in front of you, this is the first row. Okay, this is second row, this is third row. Right? The first cell of second row and the first cell of third row already combined with the first cell of the first row. आप ध्यान से देखिए, जो क्लास 9th का सेल है वो वर्टिकली स्पैन होके 3 सेल नीचे आ रहा है, 3 रोज नीचे आ रहा है. So this is row span 3. Okay, that is why the math cell and the English cell in second and third row, they are just having one cell. They are just having one cell. Am I clear? Am I totally clear? So let us start the coding for this question. Is the notepad window visible now? All right, let's start the coding. Starting with HTML, head, title, table, title tag closes, and head tag closes. Clear? Now, starting with the body, let us see if any instruction is given with respect to body tag. No instructions are there. No instructions are there. So we are to take attributes and their values from our own side. Okay. So I am taking the body BG color as pink. Right. Now starting with the table tag, I am taking border equal to 4. Border color, I am taking red. Width of the table, I am taking 250. Okay. Now starting with the first row. Starting with the first row. In the first row, see, we have first cell of the first row, which is vertically span across 3 rows. Which is vertically span across 3 rows. Okay, clear? And the data in this cell is in different line. क्लास वर्ड ऊपर है, नीचे 9th लिखा हुआ है. सेल ये एक ही है. दिस इज वन सेल, बट टेक्स्ट इज रिटन इन डिफरेंट लाइन. सो व्हाट टू डू हियर? tr align equal to center, td row span equal to 3, class BR ninth, and TD closes. When in one cell you are to divide the data in different lines, add BR in between the data. When in one cell you want to display the text in separate lines, include BR tag in between the text. Okay. Now next cell here is social science, and close this TD. So here my first row is closed. Here my first row is closed. This is my first row. First row is closed. Now in second row, the first cell of second row is already combined here. Already combined here. So in second row, we'll have only one cell. In second row, we have only one cell. Then third row also same. In third row, we have, I think subject is English. Yes. And close it. Okay. So up till now, we have created this much structure of the table. The structure which I have shaded, this much structure I have created up till now. Okay. Am I clear? Any doubt? Any queries? All right. Now moving to this class 10th. Again the same scenario. Again the same scenario. What you have done here, the same is to be repeated here. Okay. So let us copy paste this whole data. And we just change the entries. Class 10th. Subject names are Science Punjabi Computer. Science. Here we have Punjabi. And here we have computer. Okay. Am I clear up till here? So up till now, we have covered this much area. Now left is this, +1 accounts and economics. +1 accounts and economics. So again, I copy paste here. Here, there are just 2 rows left. This cell where class 11th is written, it is combined with the next row cell. इकोनॉमिक्स वाली रो के पहले सेल के साथ क्लास 11th कंबाइन हुई है, यानी यहां पे सिर्फ 2 रो स्पैन हुई है. सो हियर योर रो स्पैन विल बी 2, क्लास +1. We have subject accounts, and next we have is economics. And here this row eliminates. Okay, and here we close the table tag. But see here carefully, the background of this cell, wherever we have applied row span, the background color is changed, right? Yellow, green, and blue. So we write here, not here, in the first cell. In the cell where row span is there you write BG color. If you will write BG color in TR tag, the whole row will get into yellow color. But see carefully, only the particular cell is colorful. So in the cell where we have added row span, we also add the bg color attribute with yellow color. Then here also bg color equal to green. Then here also bg color equal to blue. Am I clear? So let us save this table and see our output. 10th A assignment 3 tables dot html. See the browser view. I just increase the zoom level. See carefully the browser view. Okay. Is it visible properly? Any questions, any doubts? Any questions, any doubts? Yes. No doubt. I just show the coding to you. See the coding carefully. See the coding carefully. Go through the coding. Don't cram it. Don't try to cram the coding. You won't be able to get into the logic. Always try to understand the concept. Always try to understand the coding. Never try to cram it. Totally clear? So let us shift to the next conceptual question. So now I proceed to the next conceptual question. So today, once again, I am revising one topic, the concept of nested list. Okay, the concept of nested list. List inside another list. List inside another list. Clear? So I'm taking here HTML tag, then head tag, then title tag. Title I'm taking nested list, and I'm closing the title tag. Here I close the head tag. Now I start with the body tag, and I'm taking BG color as silver. Now nested list, as I explained you, a list inside another list. Okay, one list is outer, one list is inner. The list which is at the inner side will be opened, will be closed, will be opened, will be closed. The list which is at outer side will be opened once and closed at the end. आउटर लिस्ट एक बार ओपन हो गई, सबसे एंड में जाके बंद होगी. इनर लिस्ट ओपन होगी, क्लोज होगी, ओपन होगी, क्लोज होगी. Okay, now it may happen you have order list enclosed inside the unordered list, or unordered list enclosed inside the order list. In any way the question can be there, right? So let us start. First of all, I'm taking here unordered list, or let us take heading first. align equal to center, different games, and H1 closes, right? Here I take the HR tag, HR color equal to blue, and size of it is 4. Now I am taking the UL list and type is square. Here, first list item. This list item tag is associated with unordered list. So I am taking here indoor games. I am taking here indoor games. Inside this, I am taking order list. Now my outer list is unordered list. My inner list is ordered list. Okay. So inside the first option of unordered list, I am taking the concept of nested list. Okay. So heading is indoor games. Indoor games के अंदर सब headings हैं games के नाम. So I am taking here type equal to small a. Right? इसमें फर्स्ट लिस्ट आइटम आ गया चेस, then next I have ludo. Okay, and here I close the order list. I told you in the beginning that inner list will be opened and closed, opened and closed. My purpose is complete, so I close the inner list. Outer list will not be closed. It will be closed only after the coding is over. So again here write li. Now this li which I have written will point to unordered list, not to the order list, because order list I have already closed, right? So here I write outdoor games. OL type equal to small Roman li cricket li football, and OL type closes. My purpose is complete. My coding is complete. Now close unordered list. Okay. And finally close the body tag. Finally, you close the HTML tag. Let us save this web page and see the browser view. Revision nested list 10th .html. So let's see the browser view. See here. Carefully see the browser view. The concept of nested list I have shown to you people. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubt, any queries? Yes, 10th, any doubt? Chiank, your thumb is not raised. Mishti, Chand. Roll number 8, Chand. Saharsh. Arpit Singh. Prabnoor, your thumbs are not raised. Diksha, roll number 12, thumb is not raised. Rahul, 36, roll number. 36, roll number, Rahul Verma. You're not giving any response. So I hope the concept is totally clear of nested list. In this particular list, so you have observed that unordered list is the outer list. Inside we have ordered list. And see here, here AB option has been taken, here small Roman. Small Roman. We can change the scenario also, like you can have outer list order, inner list unorder. So in that case, you will do here just minor changes. Okay. So I write here unorder and I give the value square. I close the unorder list. Again, unorder list, type equal to square. Close the unordered list and finally close the ordered list. Okay. So this is the case where outer list is ordered list, inner list is unordered list. Okay. See here. See the change. Am I clear to all of you? Any doubts, any queries in today's lecture? Any doubt? No? Yes, Arpit has raised hand. All right. Uh, let us include definition list also inside this as nested list. Okay. So here I am taking third option, li definitions. Okay. So here I take the DL list, and in DL list I take the first tag DT, and I write one term, internet, and I gave its definition. It is the network of networks. Okay. And I close the DL tag. Clear? Am I clear? See here. See carefully. Totally clear the concept of nested list now?